Kasbah, as you can see around me, Kasbah with my cousins. Okay, we're going Starbucks right now. I will show you guys that too. It was fun, and yeah, if you guys in Sharjah, do visit this place. It's right there.
आपको सरप्राइज मांग वगैरह भी करते होंगे
Hey, my babe. Hello, babe. She's with mask. Okay, I don't know. I'm not wearing mask. Actually, I have it here somewhere. Babe, what are you up to?
Chilling और क्या
हवे तो लौंग है मैं लाची तेरे पीछे आगवाची तेरे इशारे ने मारी कुड़ी का चली हमारी तेरे इशारे ने मारी कुड़ी का चले बारा वाली शाम में मुंडिया संदली नैना बिच तेरा नाम
We were so exhausted. We were tired of it, and you know, we just slept all day. Yeah, but we had a few cousins. They came over. The family came over, and you know, yeah, we spoke to them. We sat for a few hours, and then, as always, UAE residents only can understand that 8 o'clock, boom, alarm. So yeah, that was the thing, and that's Azan happening. So Eid Mubarak to everyone. I hope your all Eid is going very good. I want to say, please pray for those who had been diagnosed by COVID-19 or who is no more. I don't know if Shaheed is the perfect word to use for them or not, who has passed away or lost their life due to PIA, Pakistan International Airlines crash happened. So due to that, who were coming from Lahore to Karachi to meet their family. So let's make a bit of it, and you know, let's pray for them. People who are not well, who is suffering with lots of, and family who got destroyed with their homes, who has COVID-19. Let's pray for them. I know this year we're not going to wear new clothes, but inshallah next Eid we'll obviously have so much fun. This lockdown, quarantine, isolations will get finished soon, inshallah. So let's pray for the best, and I hope you will love this video. If I hope I could make you smile, this because I have nothing to shoot, I have nothing to make and stuff. So inshallah. And yes guys, wait a minute, what's something special today? There's something very special tonight. Very. It's my birthday. So okay. This is something weird that me and my sister is the only person, because we're twins. So me and my sisters are celebrating our birthday like at home only, sitting alone, and you know, in our room we just decorated a few balloons and you know, decorated. So yeah, we had this thing to go on. Sorry if my hair looks stupid, because I don't know what happened since yesterday. They're being so weird even if while I washed them. So it's my birthday, and thank you to each and everyone, single of you who wished it me. Thank you, love you a lot. And yes, I'm finally out of teen. But no, I want to go back to the teens. After teens, I want to be a kid, which I want to be. So yes, it's my birthday. And if you guys want to see my dress, so yeah, okay, today my dress is being formal bit of it. I'll put tomorrow's picture, yesterday's picture on my vlog. So that was the first day of Eid. This is second of the Eid, where my sister-in-laws are here, you know. So they're here. There's been for Eid Dawah, and I hope they enjoy our food on our birthday. We need Eidis, but this time no Eidis. There's a bad joke, by the way. I don't know, lame joke, you can say that. You know, there's thing going on Instagram viral, like good news and bad news. Good news is that your mom is not going to take your money, but bad news is that your money, you are not getting any Eidis. So how can your mom cannot take money from you? That's so bad. We need Eid. We need money. So inshallah, let's pray everything gets better inshallah, and we'll see you guys soon with thematic awesome videos inshallah. I'm planning so many things with so many people, so we'll see it. We'll try doing something best. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you smiled and enjoyed, you like and subscribe. Always keep smiling, love yourself, love your parents, and be happy. Love you. Outfit for today. Okay, so this is my dad's phone which I'm recording. So yeah, this is my outfit. Kind of simple, not that much. I have kept it. So yeah. Love me like you do. So hope you love it, and yeah, enjoy. Guys, there is the decoration. I'll show you. Okay, so we are finally doing it after what's the time? 8:19 with the night, and she is doing public. Sorry for that. Okay, so yeah, we'll get.
Assalamu alaikum, Mariam. Happy birthday.
Hi, Assalamu alaikum, Mariam. How are you? Firstly, many happy returns of the day, and secondly,
Happy birthday, Mariam. I just hope you have a wonderful birthday. As
तू मेरे यार तेरे फ्रेंड्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड तेरी एक्स तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड का एक्स क्यों हो गए सारे जंगली एक रंग सांवला तेरा नी
मिल जाए दुनिया और ना कुछ चाहूं मैं दूर सब कुछ मेरा
एक रंग सांवला तेरा नी तो जुल्फा पाया तेरा नी देख तेरी अख उड़े जो तारी वास्ता तेरा नी पाँच दे कुड़ी पाके रखे सारा मिट्टी अंदर पाऊंगी सूट फटिया फीलिंगा दा रख ले ध्यान वे करिए नक तो एक एहसान वे ए उम्मीद कदे सी हासा उड़ जूचे साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन